Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna DeRosa and this is another video in my series on Mediterranean diet small plates and tapas. Today we're going to make cauliflower bites that are rolled in breadcrumbs and baked in the oven. It's not as boring as it sounds, I promise. It's really good for you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the recipes in this series because they're all a lot of fun. This makes a nice little accompaniment to maybe a glass of wine, or you can also have it as a side dish to a larger meal. So come along. We're going to start with a beautiful head of cauliflower and we're going to cut it into little florets. Prepare a baking sheet by covering it in some parchment paper, and now we're going to toss the cauliflower florets with some olive oil and dip them in breadcrumbs. Now we're going to generously coat the cauliflower with some olive oil. Just toss it around with your hands. And then dip them in the breadcrumbs and put them on the parchment. They're not going to be entirely covered, as you can see. Sprinkle on some extra breadcrumbs. They toast up really nicely. And now we're ready for the oven. The oven is set at 400 degrees and we're going to bake them for 20 minutes. In they go. And here's the cauliflower fresh out of the oven. Don't they look delicious?